Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll help you troubleshoot Apple Cash if it's not working or if you can't transfer money. Let's get started. First, visit the Apple System Status page to ensure Apple Cash isn't down due to an outage or maintenance. Make sure you're in the United States, and if you're under 18, your family organizer must set up Apple Cash for you. Your device also needs to be eligible for Apple Cash. Outdated software can cause problems, so ensure your device is running the latest version of iOS. Check by going to Settings, then General, and Software Update. Ensure you're signed into iCloud and iMessage with the same Apple ID across all devices. You can check this in Settings or then your name for iCloud, and Settings, then Messages, then Send and Receive for iMessage. Double check that your Apple Cash account isn't restricted or locked. If it is, you may need to resolve that issue first. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Try restarting your device and see if that resolves the problem. If prompted, ensure that both you and the recipient have verified your identities. This may be required to send or receive money. Ensure the person you're sending money to is eligible for Apple Cash. If they're not, you'll see a message saying they aren't eligible. Apple Cash has payment limits. If you've hit a limit, try sending a smaller amount or wait until the limit resets. If your payment was declined by your bank, contact them to find out why. If you sent money to the wrong person, you can cancel the payment if they haven't accepted it yet. For users under 18, Apple Cash family may have set restrictions on who you can send money to. Check with the family organizer if that's the case. To receive money, make sure you've tapped Accept in the message. If this is your first payment or you turned off Auto Accept, you'll need to accept manually. Finally, go to Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure Apple Cash is turned on. That's it for today's troubleshooting guide. Hopefully these steps helped fix your Apple Cash issues. If you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.